Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the program minimum number of flips. So it is difficult easy question only. So there is a given string S of length n. So we need to make the string a sequence of alternative characters by flipping some bits. Our goal is to minimize the number of bits to be flipped. So alternative means 0 1 0 1 0 1 or 1 0 1 0 1 0. So in one case even place will be having the 0 value, in one case the even places will be having the one value or the odd value. So such that is the core logic we are going to use. So now we will first understand the logic. So we will take the first example. So S is equals to 0 0 1. So our first step is, first we will understand how this logic works. So for alternative characters of 0 1s we have two possibilities. One is starting from 0 and 1 0 1 0. So like that. So another possibility is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So like that. So in the first case, even place. So if we consider this place starting as 0, so 0 we consider as even. So at even place we are having zeros, even index, and odd we are having 1, and in this case having 1 and odd is having zeros. So we will calculate both the possibilities and return the minimum one. So like that. So we take two variables, flip 1, flip 2, to store the two possibilities of flips. So we will iterate from I is equals to 0 to, here we have 2 only. So for I is equals to 0, now we have 0 modulo 2 equals to 0. So it is even. So if it is even, for the flip 1, if the index is even, then 0 should be there. Then also we have 0. Therefore, so for index this position we already have the 0. Then need not to do anything. So flip 1 is still 0. But now we will do the flip 2. So for even index we need to be having 1, but it have 0. Therefore flip 2 is now 1. So like that. We calculate both the possibilities and check which one is better. So for I is equals to 1 modulo 2, which is 1 only. So actually we need to be having, what is the value it is? So like this, 1 should be having, there is 1 only. So flip 1 is again, we know that it is 0, and here we need to be having 0, but we have 1. So flip 2 is equals to 2. I is equals to 2. 2 modulo 2 is equal to 0. But actually we need to be having 1 at that place. But we have 0. Therefore, flip 1 is 1. We have 0. We need 0. So they are matching. So flip 2 is having 2. So minimum of flip 1 and flip 2, which is minimum of 1 comma 2, which is 1. Therefore 1 is output. Therefore 1 is the output. So very simple logic. Calculating both the possibility of patterns is the main thing we need to see here. So use the same logic here. So if you know that, take two variables, flip 1 equals to 0 and flip 2 equal to 0. So for int I equals to 0, I less than length I plus plus. So if I modulo 2 equal to 0, then it takes it is even. So if it is even, then if our s dot caret I, we are now doing both the flip 2 cases. So if s dot caret I, if s dot caret I is equal to 0 only, then we know that flip 2 will be incremented. Else flip 1 is incremented. Else if s dot caret I is here 0, flip 1 is plus plus. So at last return the minimum number of flips. We didn't use the sentence. So you can see the sample test case is passed. So we can see all the test cases are passed. So this is how we need to solve this program. So that they said to return the minimum number of flips. That is what we said here. To calculate both the possible flips, return the minimum patterns. Here the core logic is there are only two types of pattern. They will be followed. So one is starting from 0, another is starting from 1. So like that. So kindly go and practice the program. The program link is given in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.